some reason. Oh, that was a 10. That was a 10. That was a 10. What was that? What was that? I could have held it out. Like, I could have stretched it out, but I didn't. I kind of just pushed it all out at once. Sheesh! Can I get a shake? Excuse me.
Addicted. Oh, that was like actually sick. Excuse me. Northeast. Excuse me. Literally, I'm gonna puke. Oh, that's a relief. But.
Alright, yeah, there's another one.
I was talking about that door.
I don't.
Nice. Like this whole set.
Good job on you, doctor. Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna head out. Just keep with the good shit, Chloe. Honestly,
That's 5 minutes. Sorry. Wow, that tasted like pizza. Because I had pizza. I think.
Excuse me. Dead by Daylight. You love that. I already have to use this fucking item. Excuse me. Oh my god, that burp did not smell good at all. Tired already. Excuse me. Do you? Excuse me. Do you guys do that? When I burp, I like blow it out the way. Especially if dark in here. And excuse me, that wasn't what I was gonna say. And excuse me. Submissive in another environment, or excuse me, or you know.
You bought Dutch beer.
Yeah, I mean.
No.
Or LSF farming, like everything's LSF farming.
Oh god, okay. Damn! But I mean, it wasn't like as good as the first one.
True.
That was not good.
And envy, cocaine, drinking with your friends, be Amarip, and show tatas.
Bros do that shit for each other.
Eight here,
Just
like
join it, like
here.
beer pong, or when they just casually.
That gym is awesome.
Yeah, fine. No, someone told me I ripped some. That was weak as hell.